Good morning, my name is Jeff White here at World Class Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you this 975 Lance truck camper. First thing you notice is it has electric jacks. You also notice that when you back the truck in, it's got these rubber bumpers right here, that if you back the truck up too far, it'll hit these instead of your camper, which is a very nice feature. Let's go around this side here, you guys. You can see right now it's got the new frameless windows. That's up there in the master bedroom area, so you're not going to be enclosed and get claustrophobia up there. Back of the refrigerator, our batteries right here. You get 2 batteries from us when you buy. A little storage compartment area. And then a big frameless window up there. It's got a nice awning, electric awning, the whole length of the living area. And outside shower, battery disconnect, wastewater, everything's right there, one central spot. Easy to get to. 30 amp plug. Nice storage area. We can set up some pegs and get all your tools and stuff hung up there if you'd like. Fishing poles, nice and tall and long. It got a little area right here, it goes clear down, so it's probably about 5 feet altogether. Storage compartment, perfect use for the shore cord. Over here is the same storage compartment. You get a generator, 2500 LP generator. Nice big heavy duty ladder to get up on top, probably rated 250 pounds. Back awning that comes out quite a ways, 8 to 10 feet. Backup camera, LED lights, more storage right here just like we talked about. Electric jacks, 2 propane tanks which we fill up when we do our complete walkthrough with you. Get batteries, new batteries, propane tanks full, and a complete walkthrough. And slippery, a little bit more storage area. Storage is so important on these. What you get is so important. Nice big awning out here on the side. So you got awnings on both sides and the back side. This is more like an access panel for all your winterizing systems and stuff like that. Makes it easy to get in to. Water heater, outside speakers that are marine grade. And here's the other side of the window I wanted to show you. So you got windows on both sides in the master area. Okay, let's go on inside, you guys. Remember, this is a 975 Lance truck camper, 2018. Let's go up here to start with. So up here you got your windows, you got a skylight, and you got a black shade over it. You got storage on this side and storage on this side. Nice shelves there. Reading lamps, nice big bed. Easy access to the bed. You just hop up there. Then you notice you have a huge table right here. I mean, this is really wide. I'm a big guy and I can fit around here just perfect. A lot of them you're sucking it in and trying to fit back here, but there's a lot of depth here. Nice big window with shades, so you can darken it up if you want to, or not. Nice comfortable table and chairs right here. Nice comfortable booth right there. Windows all the way around it. Nice air conditioning unit right behind us. Fantastic fan. Another skylight. So there's 2 skylights in this unit. 1 fantastic fan. And over here in the kitchen, this is a corner kitchen, but it's got 1 huge sink and it's really deep. So it makes it really nice to do those big pots and pans. Rear kitchen windows, so whoever's having to do the cooking can look out at the beach anywhere you want to. visit with the neighbors. This one operates. This one does not. Stainless steel appliances. Nice big microwave. For a camper this size, that's not bad. And you can use this as a countertop if you want to too. Three burner gas cooktop and oven. Storage underneath the sink. Quite a bit really. Little hooks for your keys. All your switches are right here, buttons. And a garbage can. Up here we have the Bluetooth radio, cassette player, more switches, and over here we have more switches. So all your controls are really centrally located. One thing I forgot to mention is we have this storage right underneath here, and look how big that storage is. Nice and deep, wide, plenty of storage. And it's the same way on the other side, folks. Over here we have nice pantry. This is what we've been waiting to see, but I can't get it out, so we won't be able to take a look at it. There we go. Gotta be smarter than the tool. Put lots of canned goods here, bags of rice, whatever you'd like to. Right there, ready to go. And your silverware goes right here. That's kind of cool, a little angle like that. And you got another one right here. And then one last little storage compartment. Put a few little things right there. Heater vent, air conditioning vents down there. TV, magazine rack, more storage area. And then in the bathroom, we have a nice tub shower, fantastic fan, one more skylight, bathroom, stool, sink, and medicine cabinet. Remember folks, this is our Lance 975 truck camper. This is a long bed truck camper. Let's go back outside. One other thing I forgot to mention, it has this deck you can pull out, and there's more storage right here. Wanted to show you that because it's really super long. Okay, well you guys, I appreciate you taking time to watch my video. My name is Jeff White at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call at 541-671-1840 or send me a text. I'm sure you will have questions because there's no way we can answer them all on a video. Or email me at jeff.white@guarantee.com. And if you can't remember Jeff White, remember Bam Bam. Everybody knows the cartoon Pebbles and Bam Bam, so that's my nickname. Everybody knows that. I want to thank you for taking time out to watch my video. Have a great day from Jeff White at World Class Guarantee RV. Thanks.